Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video I am going to solve chapter cubes and cube roots exercise 4.2 question number 3, all the parts of question number 3. And if you guys want to see the solutions of earlier chapters like rational numbers, exponents, square and square roots, and the chapters algebraic expressions and factorization of algebraic expressions, you can go by the description box where all the links are available of each of the question of each of the exercise of each of the chapters I have mentioned. So not to waste further time, uh, so in question number 3, we have been given to find out the cube root of 216 into 8, and it is mentioned here that we have to find the cube root without actual multiplication, means we don't have to multiply both the numbers, and still we are supposed to find out the cube root. So what will be the first step? First, put both the numbers into the radical sign. Now, we know that it has prime factors and it also has prime factors. So, bring out the prime factors of both the numbers in this cube root sign, or you can say in this radical sign. So, the factors of 216 are 3 times 2 and 3 times 3, and factors of 8, of course. So the factors of 2, 3 times 2, and we will bring out pair of 3 of each of the factors from a cube root sign. So from these pair of 3, 1 2 will come out. From these pair of 3, 1 will come out, and these pair of 3, 1 will come out. So our answer would be 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12. So we can say the cube root of 216 into 8 is 12. Now come to the second part. So second part here is given as 125 into 729. Same step, 125 into 729. So factors are 5 into 5 into 5 and 9 into 9 into 9. So from these 5 and from these 9, 1 will come out. So 45 will be our answer. Now come to the third part. Third part is minus 16 into 32 cube root. So 16 into 32, that is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, and 32 for 32. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. Now pairing the number 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 will be our answer. Now come to the fourth part. So the fourth part is given as minus 250 into 2048. So here the negative sign is given in minus 250. So I have mentioned in my earlier video that the negative sign will shifted outside the cube root sign. So I have shifted negative sign outside the cube root sign. Now put both the numbers in the cube root sign. Now having negative will be here only. the factors of 250 are 2 into 5 into 5 into 5, and factors of 2048 is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 times 2 again. So now pairing up these 5, these 2, these 2, these 2, and these pair. So I hope the pairing is clear. So minus sign will be here only. From these pair of 5, 1 5 will come out. These 2, 1 2 will come out. From these 2, 1 2 will come out. From these 2, 1 2 will come out, and 2 2's are here and 1 2 is here, so we will make it a pair. So our answer would be 5 2's are 10, 2's are 20, 22's are 40, and 42's are 80, minus 80. So we can say the cube root of minus 250 into 2048 without doing any actual multiplication is minus 80. Now come to the next question. So the fifth part is minus 243 into 24. Bring out the negative sign outside the cube root. So 243 into 24. Factors of 243 and 24 are 3 times 3, then again 3 times 3, then 3 times 2. Now pairing. 3 3's are 9 and 9 2's are 18 will be our cube root of minus 243 into 24. Now come to the next part. So the sixth part is 108 into 16. The factors of 108 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and factors of 16 are 2 2's are 4, 2's are 8, 2's are 16. Now making the pairs. These 3 will make pair, these 2 will make pair, and these 2 and 1 2 will make pair of it. So from these 2, from these 3, and from these 2. So our answer would be 2 3's are 6, 2's are 12. So we can say the cube root of 108 into 16 without multiplication is 12. Now come to the last two parts. So the seventh part is 200 into 40. The factors of 240 are 2 into 2 into 2, and 5 into 5 into 5, and again 2 into 2 into 2. So from these two, these 5, these two, 1 factor will come out. So here 2 5's are 10, 2's are 20. So we can say the cube root of 200 into 40 without actual multiplication is 20. Now come to the 8th part, which is the last part of question number 3, exercise 4.2, chapter cubes and cube roots, publication house Goel Brothers, Prakashan. So the 8th part is minus 245 into 175. Put the negative sign outside the cube root sign. Then 245 into 175. Factors of 245 and 175 are 7 into 7 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 5. Now making the pairs. These two and one, this 1 7 will make up the pair, and these 2 5 and 1 5 will make up the pair. So from these 3 7 1 will come out, and from these 3 5 1 will come out. So negative sign is of course there. 7 5 is 35, so minus 35 is the answer. So we can say the cube root of minus 245 into 175 without actual multiplication is minus 35. Have a whole glance of question number 5, fifth part to eighth part. Hope all the questions are clear. So still any type of doubt is there, you can ask me by commenting into the comment box. And if you guys like my videos, or if it is somewhere helpful to you, subscribe to my channel and share the videos as much as possible. In my next video I'll be solving question number 4. So thanks for your support, keep watching my videos.